how to turn on in-app new followers notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on in-app new followers notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find this three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one here. Click on it, push notifications, and then click in-app notifications. And now just turn on new followers and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.